So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some more features of the Exchange Admin Center. Previously we have discussed about the message trace, and now we are going to discuss about the rule section, the second option of the mail flow. The rule section is basically help you to manage the organization as per your condition. Okay, so for example, if you want that nobody will send the mail outside the organization, or you can say the specific user will not be able to send the mail outside the organization, or you can create some forwarding rules. Okay, and some disclaimer, so these kind of things that you can use it. Also you can manage the filter out the message, and you have the multiple option over there, that custom and branding, apply disclaimer, filter message, modification message, restrict and manager, restrict manager and their uh, direct report. So these kind of thing that you can use it. I will create a video for these rules one by one. So for example, how you can create a new rule. So for example, if you need to create a custom rules to send the mail with this universal signature, so you don't want that user will be create your own custom signature and send the mail, and you have set a predefined setup that you need to you want that universal signature, that anybody will send the mail, it will automatically append your custom signature over there, and the receiver can receive that mail with the signature. So how you can create it, though? So I have created one rules regarding this. So I just go to the signature option, the signature, universal signature. So in this here you have to put the name of the signature. I just put that universal signature, universal signature, and apply this rule. So you can see the apply this rule. I just put the sender, that I just want a sender. We have the options here, that recipient, object and subject, and any attachments and any recipient message, multiple options over here to apply this rule. So so for example, if I am putting the sender is, and now is going to the identification of your rules. So person, you have to identify a particular person, you have to identify the external or internal user. So if you want that outside the organization or inside the organization, even you have the member of this group, you can just put the group name, address, recipients, supervision. So these kind of thing that you can use it. I just put the external and internal options. The sender is the located it in my organization. Now do the following options. Now is the condition, that what kind of things that you want to apply the rule. The select one, forwarding rules, if you need to for the approval, redirect to the message, if somebody is trying to send it, it will automatically redirect to the particular option. Mail IDs, block this message. If I'm just putting these options over here, like block this option, so I just put that what is the explanation you are required for the rejecting the message, that nobody will send the mail, but I want a disclaimer. So I just put the disclaimer over here, and then I just select the append declaration. So append declaration, it will give you the append options. Okay, so in the universal signature, it works with the HTML coding. You have to require it, you have to put some predefined functions over there, like display name, like email ID, like department name, multiple things that we the Microsoft have the list of the universal signature, you can say the predefined functions over here, that you can use it for your universal signature. So I'm just putting here as just edit option. You can, so I have just edit the display name and email ID. So I just want that end user will uh, receive the mail with this signature. Okay, I just put and save it. Okay, so it's already there. I don't require to save it, it's already enabled. So after doing creating the signature, so you have to enable these options. Okay, so I give you the option that how you can block the sender. So I just create a rules, and I just put the block sender. Okay, I just put the mail id, like the sender is the person of, like for example, mod. I'm just putting my mail id and putting the specific user here, and I just want to block the message with the rejected included explanations. Don't have permission to send the mail outside the organization. Please contact with your IT person. Okay, so this is the disclaimer I required when somebody is trying to send the mail outside the organization or a specific user. I just put next. I have the options that okay, the rule you want to enforce it, or you want to test it. You want to activate and deactivate these options with a particular date. Stop processing more rules, and header if you need to put it as an envelope or header of the now everything is looking good, and I just click on the finish, and it is showing it's saving the rules, the transparent transport rule. So okay, the transport rule is created successfully, done. uh Need to check. Okay, now you can see the here it is showing the disable. Why? Because rule has been created but it is not enabled for your organization. So what you need to do, you have to click on it and you need to enable it. Okay, once it status showing that enabled. Okay, so status is yet enabled. You can okay, rules is okay, you can just refresh it and you can check this status is enabled. Now the rule is applied in your organization. So sometimes some of the rules getting 24 to 48 hours, or we can say the 5 to 6 hours to apply in your organization fully. But sometime it will not take, it will create suddenly. So it's depend upon the rule by rule. So we have the two rules, and we need to check one by one. So firstly we'll discuss about the signature one, the universal signature. I just putting my mail id over here, and test test, I can just put anything. Okay, and I you can see that I never select any of the signature. So I just check, I just sent it, and okay, need to check. Okay, I got the mail, and you can see I have blocked by my organization. Okay, the action is required blocked by the mail flow rules. So the rules has been shared, sent, that it's clearly mentioned that don't have permission to send the mail outside the organization or inside the organization. It's fully blocked. uh, we can do one thing. We can edit the rules, and we can use one more thing. Here I can use the recipient in outside the organization. Okay, so I have fully blocked by the rule, so nobody will send and receive the mail. Okay, so I just updated the rules, and I just mentioned that if sending outside the organization, it will block it. But block, there is rule, have the rule. What rule he's saying? Rule is saying that anybody will trying to sending a mail outside the organization, so it
Fine.
will. And now we are just checking about the signature. My signature is reflecting or not, so I'm just putting my mail id. Okay, and the just test, and you can see this is my test mail id. Okay, and I'm just putting sent. Okay, and you can see that the display name and the mail IDs will automatically appear. When I'm sending a new mail, it will not be there. Okay, but when I am receiving the mail, it will automatically appear. So these kind of signature rules that you can create universally in your organization. If you need to add some disclaimer, you need to add some putting some details like department name, like job titles, then phone numbers, everything you can mention it over here for creating a custom signature. Thanks for the time, thanks for watching my video, have a good day, bye bye.